Now we've added some tools, it's time to add some inventory. Search for S-Tool-Tracker, Positive Adjustment. Here we can add inventory to one or more specific tools. Expand the window and enter a document number of your choosing. Search for the specific tool. The description and location are automatically filled in. Enter a quantity for the inventory. In this case, it's going to be 2. Now, as these are serial number based products, we wish to track them. To do so, select Line and Tool Tracking Lines. Expand the window and enter the appropriate serial number. It's also possible to enter an expire date for a particular tool. Select the quantity, and in this case it's a serial number based tracking system, so it's always going to be 1. Enter another serial number, expire date, and quantity. Oops, looks like we got a problem. If we hover over the red X, we'll be able to identify the actual issue. And in this case, we've entered an invalid expire date. This is because the expire date is the same date as the recording of this video, which makes no sense. Revert the change, fix the expire date, and enter the quantity. Now we can post our inventory to the journal. To do so, select Post Print and Post. The records of the inventory are now tracked on the journal. We can verify this by searching for S-Tool-Tracker tools and checking the actual inventory we now have. And the stock is now correct at 2.